Hello, my name is Chandrani. I am a businesswoman. I stay in Calcutta. And uh, as about Reiki, I came to know about this from my very close friend Aritri, who has been practicing this for quite some time now. So there was a time when few months back when I was very depressed, and as everybody is going through a bad time now, things are not good right now all around. So because of that, and also even before that, I was facing some issues related to this depression. So that is when my very dear friend Aritri suggested that I should go for Reiki, and I should start uh, invoking it in my daily life, and also as far as my family is concerned, my children, uh, I should apply some of the things, and that will definitely help me feel better. So initially I was not very convinced, but I I took it seriously because it was suggested by a very close friend, by a very trusted friend, Aritri. So I started charging water, and I started doing some of the things, the breathing exercises, dynamic breathing, and also many other things that she had suggested, like meditation. And I realized that yes, things are changing. For example, when I was going through acute depression, I had started taking antidepressants, and then I felt that without the medicines, I guess I cannot, you know, live normally without these medicines. But after I started, going by Auditri's advice, and uh, applying these techniques in my daily life, water charging, and dynamic breathing, meditation, then I realized that I got a sort of confidence, because of which now I don't take. For the last 2 months, I have completely stopped taking medicines, antidepressant medicines, and I feel completely normal. So it's a kind of mental strength that I have got from this practice. So also, as far as my children are concerned, whenever they are not feeling well, like a few days back, my daughter was suffering from a stomach ache. So she told me that, Mama, I'm not feeling well, my stomach is aching. So and she was lying down, and I just felt like, putting my hand over her body and invoking the Reiki energy. And I just imagined that it's some kind of healing power coming out of my hand and entering my daughter's body and healing the pain. And after some time, she said, I asked her, are you feeling better? She said, yes, I'm feeling better. And then she woke up and she started playing again. So these are the things I have actually experienced. So I had initially taken attunement from Aritri, and now I feel that this is really something that can bring about, that can bring a big difference in our lives if we genuinely believe in it, and if we genuinely practice it with complete devotion. It is capable of bringing about a lot of change. So thank you, Aritri, and thank you, Reiki energy. It has really made a big difference in my life. That is all. Thank you.